Many small businesses and startups handle payroll in-house. While dedicated payroll software exists, Microsoft Excel offers a cost-effective alternative. Excel, with its powerful formulas and features like named ranges, can simplify payroll processing. This approach is particularly useful for businesses with a limited number of employees and straightforward payroll needs. However, complex formulas can become difficult to read and manage. This is where named ranges come in. Instead of referring to cells by their coordinates like A1 or B5, you can give them meaningful names. This video tutorial explores the use of named ranges in Excel to create a simple yet effective payroll system. Consider a basic payroll scenario. You have employees, each with an hourly rate. They work a certain number of hours, potentially including overtime. The goal is to calculate their gross pay, deduct taxes, and determine their net pay. To set up named ranges, select the cell or range of cells containing the data. Go to the name box, located to the left of the formula bar, and type the desired name. For instance, you might name the range containing hourly rates as hourly rate, hours worked as hours worked, and overtime hours as overtime hours. Oh, and here is a pro tip. Use this handy feature in Excel to convert the table's header row into named cells. To do that, select the data and simply press Alt plus M plus C. This uses the Name Manager's Create from Selection feature. Here, uncheck the left column and leave the top row selected. Now, what this has done is simply that it has created named columns. If we type employee name in a cell, you can see that Excel has now created a named range called employee name. Here comes another shortcut. Press Ctrl plus G to go to the named cells you just created. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus F3 to manage the named cells in the Name Manager. Simple! Now, let's create formulas using these named ranges. To calculate gross pay, assuming overtime is paid at 2 times the regular rate, you would use a formula like this, equals hours worked times hourly rate plus overtime hours times hourly rate times 2. Press Ctrl plus D to apply the formula in the selected cells. Notice how the formula now reads almost like a sentence. This clarity is one of the key advantages of using named ranges. Next, to calculate tax, assuming a flat tax rate of 20%, you would use equals gross pay times tax rate divided by 100. Finally, net pay is calculated as equals gross pay minus tax. The benefits of using named ranges extend beyond just readability. When tax rates change, you only need to update the value in the tax rate named range, and all calculations will automatically adjust. Furthermore, as your business grows and you add more employees, you can easily expand the named ranges to accommodate the new data. This scalability ensures that your payroll system remains manageable and efficient. In conclusion, while dedicated payroll software offers comprehensive features, Excel with named ranges provides a viable alternative for small businesses. This approach is not only cost-effective, but also offers flexibility and customizability. By embracing named ranges, you can transform your spreadsheets into powerful and intuitive tools for managing your payroll effectively.